Hello everybody, welcome back, and today as well we have got here another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and change country in Google Play Store. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video. For that matter, the first thing that you would like to do is, first of all, let's go ahead open up our Play Store. Once our Play Store is open, what we're gonna do is we're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon of ours, and we're going to go to this option called payment and subscriptions. Once we tap on it, what we're going to do is we're going to simply go ahead, tap on this payment methods, and once we tap on that option, what we're going to do is we're going to tap on some more payment settings given below. This will simply load in another browser. Make sure that you are with the correct account that where you would like to change your country. Then we're gonna go ahead, tap on this verify it is me option. So once you're done verifying your account, what this will do is this will show you these options, including this 3 horizontal line which we need. We're going to tap on that 3 horizontal line, and then we're going to tap on the settings options given. Now if we do that, we will have this kind of options given below. If you go to this payments profile option, we can see this country region, right, which shows United States. So we can go ahead, go on that option. So if you want to change our country region, we gotta make a new profile, right? So if we tap on this create new profile, then what we're going to do is we tap on this continue option, and we're going to simply go ahead, choose a country or a region for ourselves from the options over here. Once we're done choosing that, let's say I will go with, then we'll tap on this continue option, and then we go ahead, we're going to enter our address, city, neighborhood, everything, because this is for the payment method it's needed. And then we'll tap on this submit option. That way, once our new account is created, the region will be saved with that we just chose. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.